Imagine a plant that quietly thrives in the world's harshest places, where the sun beats down and the soil offers little comfort. Picture a crop that doesn't just survive but actually flourishes where others wither away. This plant offers a rare gift: complete protein, something that's hard to find in the plant world. Its tiny seeds are packed with nutrients, making it a true superfood. It's called amaranth, a humble crop that's been a lifeline for ancient and modern communities alike. Revered by the Aztecs and cherished in cultures across the globe, amaranth's story is one of quiet strength. Amaranth contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a nutritional powerhouse. It's gluten-free, rich in fiber and loaded with minerals like iron, magnesium, and calcium. Unlike most crops, it flourishes in poor soil and tough climates, needing little to give so much. Even in drought or depleted earth, amaranth keeps growing, offering hope where food is scarce. For centuries, it's sustained healthy communities, embodying resilience and simplicity. Generations have relied on it for nourishment, passing down knowledge of its cultivation and uses. In a world searching for sustainable food, amaranth stands out as a hero. It requires less water and fewer resources than many staple crops, making it a smart choice for the future. Its ability to grow where others fail makes it a food for the future, especially as climate change threatens global harvests. Amaranth's resilience could help secure food supplies for generations to come. This plant doesn't need expensive fertilizers or complex farming, just a bit of earth and care. It's accessible to small farmers and families everywhere. Amaranth is a perfect example of nature's solutions hiding in plain sight. Often overlooked, it quietly supports ecosystems and communities. It's a staple in the diets of some of the world's longest-lived people, supporting health and longevity. From porridges to breads, amaranth finds its way into countless traditional dishes. Their secret? Simple, locally grown plants like amaranth. Both the leaves and seeds are edible, offering versatility in the kitchen and on the farm. It's time we rediscovered this ancient crop and the lessons it offers about health and resilience. Amaranth connects us to our agricultural roots and to a more sustainable future. In the search for better nutrition, sometimes the answer is already growing at our feet. We just need to notice it, nurture it, and let it nourish us. Amaranth is more than a food. It's a blueprint for a healthier, more sustainable way to eat. It's a reminder that the simplest solutions are often the most powerful. Let's pay attention to this remarkable plant and what it can teach us about resilience, nutrition, and the wisdom of working with nature. Our bodies need 9 essential amino acids to stay strong, build muscle, repair tissues, and support vital functions like immunity and metabolism. These amino acids are called essential because our bodies can't make them on their own. We have to get them from the food we eat. But most plant foods don't provide all 9 in the right amounts. Grains, nuts, and vegetables are nutritious, but they usually lack 1 or more essential amino acids, making it harder to get complete protein from a single source. That's why traditional diets around the world often combine foods like rice and beans or corn and lentils. By mixing different plant foods, people create meals that together supply all the essential amino acids, forming a complete protein. Amaranth is different. It's one of the rare plants that naturally contains all 9 essential amino acids in significant amounts, just like animal-based foods such as eggs or dairy. This means you get high-quality, complete protein from a single plant-based source, without needing to combine different foods or worry about missing nutrients. For communities with limited food options, amaranth can be a nutritional game-changer, helping to prevent protein deficiencies and support healthy growth. A simple bowl of amaranth porridge can provide the protein a child needs to grow, develop, and thrive, making a real difference in daily nutrition. Amaranth is especially rich in lysine, an amino acid that's often missing from other grains like wheat or corn, making it even more valuable in plant-based diets. Adding amaranth to meals is easy, and instantly boosts nutrition without adding complexity or cost to your cooking routine. Its protein is gentle on the stomach, easy to digest and absorb, making it ideal for everyone, from young children to seniors. Amaranth turns a simple meal into a powerhouse of nutrition, supporting energy, growth, and overall well-being. It's a natural, affordable way to support health from childhood to old age, making good nutrition accessible to everyone. With amaranth, complete protein is within everyone's reach, helping families and communities build a healthier future, one meal at a time. As climate change brings hotter, drier weather, many crops struggle to survive. Amaranth, however, is built for resilience. Its C4 photosynthetic pathway lets it thrive with little water and in high heat. While corn wilts, amaranth stays green and productive. Its deep taproot reaches water far below the surface, anchoring the plant and finding moisture when others can't. Amaranth grows in poor, salty, or acidic soils, no need for rich farmland or expensive fertilizers. This makes it a lifeline for small farmers on marginal land. Even in drought, amaranth delivers reliable harvests. It transforms barren ground into a source of life-giving food. For millions facing food insecurity, amaranth offers hope and stability. It's a survivor, just like the people who depend on it. In tough times, amaranth doesn't just endure, it thrives. That's why it's a crop for the future. When we think of protein, we often picture meat, eggs, or dairy. These foods have long been considered the gold standard for protein, forming the backbone of many diets around the world. These foods are complete proteins, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids our bodies need. But they come with high environmental costs, requiring vast amounts of land, water, and producing significant greenhouse gas emissions. The impact of large-scale animal agriculture is a growing concern as we look for more sustainable ways to feed a growing population. In contrast, plant-based proteins like beans and lentils are much more sustainable, using fewer resources and producing less pollution. However, most of these plant proteins are considered incomplete, lacking one or more essential amino acids. Amaranth bridges the gap. It's a unique plant that offers all the amino acids found in meat, but with a gentle environmental footprint. It grows well in poor soils, needs little water, and thrives without heavy chemical inputs, making it a resilient crop for the future. A cup of cooked amaranth has about 9 grams of protein, more than many grains like rice or corn. This makes it a powerful option for those seeking plant-based nutrition without sacrificing protein content. Its protein quality even rivals that of milk, according to the World Health Organization, making it a rare find among plant foods. Unlike wheat or corn, amaranth is rich in lysine, an essential amino acid often missing from other grains. This makes it a superior choice for building a balanced, nutritious diet. It's a simple, efficient way to nourish ourselves and protect the planet at the same time. By choosing amaranth, we support both our health and the health of our environment. In blue zones, regions known for longevity, people eat meat sparingly and rely on plant proteins. Amaranth fits right in, supporting healthy, vibrant communities. It's a nutritional winner, outperforming many famous grains in both protein quality and environmental impact. With amaranth, you get the best of both worlds, complete protein and sustainability, all in one ancient grain. It's time to rethink what a superfood really means and recognize the value of crops like amaranth in our diets. Amaranth sets a new standard for what plant-based protein can be: nutritious, sustainable, and ready for the future. Amaranth isn't new. It's an ancient food with deep roots. For the Aztecs, amaranth was as vital as corn, used for food and sacred rituals. They made flour, tortillas, and even edible statues from its seeds. But when Spanish conquistadors arrived, they banned amaranth to suppress local culture. The crop nearly vanished, surviving only in remote villages. For centuries, it was a hidden treasure, kept alive by indigenous farmers. Amaranth's story is one of resilience, surviving conquest and neglect. In the 20th century, scientists rediscovered its nutrition and hardiness. Now, amaranth is making a comeback worldwide. It's a symbol of cultural survival and a solution for modern food challenges. From ancient fields to today's kitchens, amaranth's journey continues. It's proof that the best foods sometimes have the oldest stories. Amaranth isn't a global commodity, but it's a staple in many regions. In the Andes, kiwicha grows on steep hillsides, feeding communities where other crops fail. In India, rajgira is eaten during religious fasts and made into breads and sweets. In Nepal, both the seeds and leaves are used in daily meals. Across Africa, amaranth is a drought-resistant lifeline for small farmers. Its leaves and seeds are sold in markets, providing nutrition and income. Amaranth adapts to local cuisines and cultures with ease. It thrives in the hands of small-scale farmers, not industrial giants. This crop empowers communities to feed themselves sustainably. Amaranth's success is built on local knowledge and resilience. It's a model for a more equitable, sustainable food system. If amaranth is so amazing, why isn't it everywhere? Our food system is built around a few major crops: rice, wheat, and corn. These have massive industries, supply chains, and consumer habits behind them. Amaranth, by contrast, is an orphan crop with little industrial support. Most people don't know how to cook it or where to buy it. Changing food habits takes time and education. For farmers, harvesting amaranth is labor-intensive and requires special equipment. Without investment, it's hard to scale up production. These barriers, industry focus, consumer habits, and practical challenges keep amaranth on the sidelines. But with the right support, it could become a staple. The potential is there. We just need to unlock it. You'd think organizations fighting hunger would champion amaranth, but big institutions focus on large-scale familiar crops like maize and wheat. Amaranth is seen as risky and unfamiliar, requiring new supply chains and local expertise. Most agricultural experts are trained in industrial crops, not orphan grains. Without advocates, amaranth remains invisible in funding decisions. Corporate influence also steers policy toward crops that need patented seeds and chemicals. Amaranth, which thrives with saved seeds and few inputs, doesn't fit the industrial model. This isn't a conspiracy, just a system that favors the familiar and profitable. As a result, self-sufficient crops like amaranth are left in the shadows. Amaranth's story reminds us that real solutions often grow from the ground up. This plant offers complete protein, environmental resilience, and community empowerment. To unlock its potential, we must support small farmers and local markets. Investing in seed banks and simple tools can help amaranth thrive. When communities control their food, they build true food security. We need big organizations to diversify their investments and fund research on orphan crops. Amaranth should be part of school meals and health programs worldwide. As consumers, we can drive change by buying and cooking with amaranth. Every purchase is a vote for a better food system. Let's share amaranth's story and inspire others to try it. By choosing foods that nourish us and the planet, we shape a healthier future. Amaranth is more than a crop. It's a movement. Let's help it grow.